Driventoexotics coming at y'all with a cool little POV-ski and the Lexus Es350 Tron. So right now we just going on a little free roam spirited drive. Speaking on manifesting, taking our daily, get into that exotic. So yeah, we actually just did a repair on this window. Simple repair, simple fix. Wasn't finna cost too much, but it was actually fixed for free. Tough. They fixed it for free, man. Ain't that the best? When you thought it was something more expensive, but it wasn't that bad. You know what I'm saying? Knock on wood. But again, using your car, keeping up the maintenance, getting the parts you gotta get is gonna help you get to that exotic. I'm like, shit. When stuff start going wrong on your only car, and you already might be behind or something, struggling. Sometimes it feel like you might gotta just get rid of the car, or like, dang, I gotta get rid of the whip, or like, dang, where am I going to drive? Whole time, you gotta hold on to that, bro. You gotta hold on to that, get through the problems, and it's gonna feel even better once you get your car back fixed up, and you still got it, and then you still stacking up. I'm gonna always keep this until I can get to that next point and just keep going from there. But yeah, bro, you just gotta be grateful every day. Take every chance you get, man. Technically, I'm on break right now. From work, I'm on break. Actually, let me get a little video in. Hey, that was random. Let me get a little video in. Traction off. Windows crack. I'm not gonna go full throttle. This is a spirited cruise. Who am I kidding? I'm about to hit this when I get around this corner. Yes. Slow this bit down. Light right there. So yes, we are driving our daily, and I feel like it's still fun and it's still a good time. You know, when you get off work, whether you're on break or you just really getting off for the day, and you could drive home and you got like a nice whip or something that you like, something that's fun, always hit different. It's like, damn, I'm on break, shit, at least I get to drive this. I know I'm gonna drive home at 100 miles per hour. Like, I know I'm gonna drive home at 100. That's any car though. You know what I'm saying? That's any whip. Let's go put this bit back in drive. Save the gas. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get this to last me the whole work week. But yeah, like, it's one thing to have a dream car, but it's also one thing to have your dream scenario. So like, yeah, we driving a beater, we driving our daily. But I mean, I'm not really, my plan isn't to get the dream car just to drive it on break and drive it home. The plan is to get the dream car and just to fully live off the brand, the YouTube, you feel me? I got my Made Superior hoodie on right now. But yeah, pretty much to get the dream car off living a dream life. What's going on? So yeah, that's the plan, like, to get the exotic and get all that stuff and not have to, you know, worry. You get to be free in this world. You get to be out here doing what you really want to do. I'm starting from the bottom. Hoping it's some inspiration and motivation for anyone out there. Like, I seen a Ferrari on the road earlier. I'm like, bro, ain't no way you finna get a Ferrari working this job. Ain't no job down there finna pay you, to get that Ferrari. You gonna have to take some risks, chase some dreams, dream big, and have faith. I'm literally just driving around. That's how you know your car is fun, bro. You could just drive it around and that's an activity. I love the drone in this car. Like, I never get annoyed by this sound. never. It's like an instrument. Depending on how I tap the gas, it can make a different sound. See, like, I'm barely even hitting the gas. As you can see, the RPM, the speed. Yellow means speed up. But I really want to do donuts. I ain't going cap. I want to spin. I'm trying to spin for real. Like, that'd be fun. Like, man, I mean, all we can do in this front wheel drive is just kind of drive. And I don't know if it's just me. I feel like when you have a rear wheel drive and you do donuts and spin and all that, yeah, you gotta buy new tires. But in a front wheel drive, you gotta kind of buy new front struts and buy suspensions and stuff like that. Like, the wear and tear on the front end and on stuff like that wears down a lot faster. I feel like just being in a front wheel drive car and you just be pushing. I was at a pool. I'm trying to get to the open lane to try. Sometimes I don't put my blinker on so no one knows my next move. Because sometimes it seems like you put a blinker on and somebody do the move that you just thought about doing. But when you do no blinker, you can just do it. Hey, I'm just having with y'all, man. This is all in Mexico, bro. Don't take my job in that place right here. I'm just messing with y'all, bro. I'm really ready to just turn, bro. I don't need to sit in all this traffic, bro. I'm trying to go on some open roads. You know what this looks like? A good place to do a pull. Perfect. But yeah, I'm ready to put this bit back in drive. Chill out for a little bit. See, like, that was not full throttle. That was not even me. That was me just like trying to just regular drive. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is a good daily, but not a track car. You feel me? Not taking this to the track. I'll be treating the road like it's a track though. But hey, if you watched the last video, I actually drove past the racetrack. And I'm gonna have to get some more info on that for sure. I got some fireworks over there. I ain't finna buy no fireworks. I'm finna watch them. I ain't finna buy no fireworks. Let me know what setup y'all got. Let me know what y'all build is, what y'all dream car is, anything like that. I'm trying to build a little community out here. People that had a dream of having an exotic car, whether you got it right now or you dreaming about it. It's all gonna happen with time. You gotta be grateful every day, whether you got it or you don't, you know. See, it could all change. And they got more fireworks right there. Sheesh. It is ready to be New Year. New Year, going into this new year, bro, manifesting that dream car or manifesting the certain mods or something is real, bro. I'm trying to manifest a car that's not costing me too much money to maintain and, you know, no repairs are due. Everything's cool, everything's running good. All you feel me, all smooth, ready to hit the road. Trying to manifest having you feel me, a gear shifter right there. I want to shift gears, you know what I'm saying? Trying to manifest that. Or a different driving experience. They got the whole five. It was like five Amazon trucks right there at the gas station. Oh, Amazon hub. Hey yo. But yeah, we really trying to manifest that. Gotta speak it to existence. Gotta put the action in, put the work in right now. I'm pretty sure a lot of us, we know what we've got to do, or we know what we need to do. It's just about doing it. Sub if you're new, road to 100 subs. Appreciate everyone that's watching, commenting, supporting. Whatever y'all, man.